Oh! It's penny size. God, it's getting heavier. Oh my god. Oh my god, and it is almost quarter size. Yes, it is right now. We almost have quarter size hail.
Where's the lightning?
Over there still. I know that. Yeah.
I wonder if it hurts.
Oh!
Oh, dang, it hurts.
Man. And it's right over us now. I've got to check the radar and this is the radar image. Somebody said fire. That doesn't sound good. Oh, did I get that? I think I did. People are starting to wake up around the neighborhood. Now there's lightning everywhere, from the east to the south, in all cardinal directions. Now it's calming down.
Oh.
Oh, I got that! I got that!
You did?
Yeah.
I think my head was in the way. Was my head in the way?
I don't think so.
What the heck? No thunder?
Not anymore.
Why not?
I get to the short. Move over a little big hail. Oh! Even hail. You're over there, which signals. Oh! Oh, yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 17 seconds. That means it's about 3.4 miles away now. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, well, see you guys tomorrow.